In a year of unprecedented weather events, we have yet another first this morning as Hurricane Hilary bears down on Mexico and Southern California.
Yeah, Hilary is expected to be a tropical storm by the time it reaches California, but it will still be historic. A year's worth of rain could fall over the coming days in some parts, resulting in potentially life-threatening flooding and mudslides.
The impending storm triggering the first ever tropical storm warning issued in California, and we have team coverage this morning, starting with ABC's Matt Rivers, who's in San Diego as we watch for those possible catastrophic effects. Matt, good morning.
Good morning, Will. Yeah, it is calm here for now on Coronado Island. We're just across the water here from downtown San Diego, but we know that this calm weather, it's not going to last. The worst is well on its way.
Look at this. This is real. This is now. This is the coming of a tropical hurricane from Mexico. This is 5 a.m. in the morning. A few hours later, this is the result of this morning's 5 a.m. thunder, lightning. Hurricane Hilary is here. Hurricane Hilary, August 2023. It's actually hard to stand out here. The wind is so strong, and it's actually kind of hard to stand out here. So, there's the world outside, as seen from the inside of my house, looking out the front window. I was on the front porch, but it's a little bit too windy out there, and I have a cold. No, I should not be out there. I guess we want to... Is COVID-19 considered a cold? Well, it's an ailment, and unfortunately, I have COVID-19. So outside is Hurricane Hilary. Inside is David Earl Moravee with COVID-19. You know, I've done all I can the past few years to avoid getting this, but it finally got me. I'm fully vaccinated too, so it just goes to show that the creature exists, and my wife was the first one to detect it, and then a day later I tested positive. So now I'm in quarantine during a historic moment in weather history in California, where we're having a hurricane actually affect us. And it's amazing. I mean, all this going on outside. I try to stand outside myself to do this video. Hard to stand. It's too windy. And it's probably not a good idea anyway with my COVID-19 not to be outside anyway. But yeah, COVID-19, who would have thought? So I'm self-isolating. I'm going to probably have to miss a few days of work. Relax, take care of my health, watch Star Trek. Anyway, hope you're doing well. Please take care. And yeah, for all of you who live in other parts of the country and or around the world, and you are more used to hurricanes and tropical storms, this is nothing, I'm sure. But for a Southern California boy, yeah, this is a interesting situation here. Right now, we're getting a lot of rain. Although, really, this tropical storm Hilary, which used to be a Hurricane Hilary, honestly, from my perspective, it has not been so drastic. But there is water coming down onto the ground on the edge of my roof here, you know. This is what's happening with Tropical Storm Hilary, which used to be a hurricane. And it's not so windy right now like it was earlier. We don't have thunder and lightning right now. We do have rain. And supposedly we'll get a lot of rain, but honestly, I don't see any flooding here, so I think they were over-exaggerating what might happen. It's better to be safe than sorry, but so far, nothing too bad. There you go. And my wife's bird, the crow, had to say his word. Do you agree with the crow? Maybe. He wants lots of attention right now, so I need to get Patricia to take care of the crow. See you guys later.
This morning, it is cleanup time now. Cleanup underway after Hilary. It was the first tropical storm to hit Southern California in 84 years, and it brought rain, flooding, high winds.
Over a dozen people were rescued from the San Diego River last night, and several trees fell across the county. In University City, a eucalyptus tree fell on 2 apartments, and in Lemon Grove, a large tree fell onto a white Hummer. Glad you're with us here, 6 a.m. on this Monday. I'm Eric Connert.
And I'm Netta Irampur. Thank you so much for joining us. We do have team coverage for you. CPS 8's Chris Groh and Dana Marie McNichol showing us Hilary's aftermath.
We want to begin with meteorologist Evan Rani, though, to get a look at where Hilary is now and then some of the rain totals that we got here in the county.
Yeah, it came in with pretty decent strength across San Diego County. Forecast totals were exactly in line with what we saw. So take a look, 2 to 3 inches along the coastline, as we were saying, for the last 4 or 5 days or so. Across our mountaintops, 6 to 7 inches, which is higher than the 5 to 7 originally estimated. Palomar Mountain and Mount Laguna were the 2 spots we were expecting upwards of 5 inches. And boy, we got over 7 for Mount Laguna, 6.7 for Palomar Mountain. Julian stayed a little bit lighter, 3.4 inches in total, but even close to the coastline. Carlsbad, 2.5 inches. National City, 2.25. Decent totals that we ran into here. Tracking Hilary, she is post-tropical, 35-mile-per-hour winds across the now decayed eye wall. But we are seeing the storm slowly continue to break apart. She will move farther north into a portion of Oregon, but with much weaker wind and rain. We have pretty much seen all of our wet weather subside. Just a couple clouds that we are left with now as we head through the morning hours. 6:02 we're just about to hit. Netta, Eric, back to you.
Hey, I'm not going to let COVID-19 or this bad weather get me down. So many people are just waiting for the world to end, and I'm not one of those people.
You're overstating, pontificating the meaning of your life, my friend. I tell you one thing, but not for nothing. We're all waiting for the world to end. And you may enter the gates of heaven. Some are dying to be born again. It's intuition, not superstition. We're all waiting for the world to end. Do you believe in things unseen? Or are you one of those that just pretend? Are you aware? Let me be clear. We're all waiting for the world ahead. You must hang on to love. It's only this it's way too late. We're all waiting for the world to end. And blind ambition, like double vision, will never show you what's around the bend. I'm double guessing why you're obsessing when we're all waiting for the world to end. Show you what's around the bend. I'm double guessing why you're obsessing when we're all waiting for the world ahead. So in conclusion, here's the solution: just live your life until you die, my friend. Have no regrets and don't forget, we're all waiting for the world ahead. Just live your life until you die, my friend. Have no regrets and don't forget, we're all waiting for the world ahead. Yeah, we're all waiting for the world ahead. Oh yeah, we're waiting for the world ahead. Oh yeah, we're waiting for the world ahead. Oh no, we're waiting for the world ahead. Oh yeah, we're waiting for the world ahead. Oh yeah, we're waiting for the world ahead. Oh no.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, tell your friends to do the same, and please take care of yourselves.